One of the most important parts about a racetrack is the fans. And where do the fans sit? In the stands. And that is exactly what I have made for my Motor Speedway of the South diorama, fully equipped with VIP sponsor suites as well as an RSN broadcast booth. This grandstand has it all, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make it with a step-by-step tutorial. Let's get on into it. For starters, I measured the area the grandstand will sit on, so I knew what size to make it. To make sure I had every cut as precise as possible, I used a box cutter and I made the base 10 inches long. Then lengthwise, it was a total of 31 inches long, just enough space to put enough cars there. And here you can see my paint that I am using. It is just a classic gray that you can pick up from your local art store, just spreading it across this piece of cardboard here, and that is going to be acting as the base. The next part that I did was a smaller piece of cardboard, about 5 inches long. That is going to be the second level. Then as you can see here, I'm painting this piece of cardboard black, and that is going to hold up the second level of the grandstand. Yes, this is a 2-story grandstand to fit as many cars on as possible. Here you can see I glue on the wall to the second level, and then we're going to glue it on to the base, and that is exactly what you see here, with me adding a little bit of white cardboard that will be acting as a wall or guardrail, just to make sure that no car will fall out when they are on the second story. You're going to be adding this white cardboard around the first and second level as the walls. You will then glue down this massive piece of cardboard as the back. This will be the background and supporting the rest of the grandstand. As you can see here, I glued down the second level of the grandstand, and it is connected to the back. As you can see here, I printed out these cutouts of fans. That is just going to be going on the second level, acting as a little bit of a background, so it looks like there are more fans than there actually are. Once you glue everything down to the base of your grandstand, it should make it a little bit stronger so it can support the upper level of the grandstand. Here you can see once I cut out the pictures of the fans, I'm just going to be gluing it down, and like I said before, it just makes it look like there's a little bit more fans than there actually are, and it looks pretty good on camera as well, so I'm not complaining. Here you can see now I did add a couple cars into the grandstand just as a test to see what it would look like. So you can see I do have real cars in the front, and then in the back there are just the fake ones on paper. Now I'm going to be making the second level, which is the RSN booth, the Dynaco sponsor booth, and we are cutting out the Dynaco logos here. I cut them all out, and that is going to be acting as the wall. I painted them all gold just like you saw in the movie in their sponsor VIP suite, and you will be gluing it down to the wall in the back. For the next step, you can see these tiny marks of pencil on this upper level. That you can see is going to be spacing out the next VIP booths perfectly. So there's 2 VIP suites and then 1 RSN booth. As you can see right now, I'm making the RSN booth. I made this design on Canva, and on screen now, feel free to screenshot these. These are the designs to the RSN booth if you want to make them yourself. But like I said, I did space them out perfectly so the RSN booth is in the middle, and that is going to be the floor design like I said right there. Then I'm going to be painting the VIP suites with a little bit of a more brown color compared to the cardboard, just like we saw in the movie. Then you're going to glue down the gold Dynaco letters as you saw exactly from the film, and it should turn out looking pretty sweet once you glue down the second level where the suites are. Once this step is complete and the VIP suites are painted in, you can add in the back wall for the RSM booth. As you can see, my design from Canva looks pretty good there on the upper level. Then I'm going to add the walls inside there, just put on the more brown paint for the Dynaco booth, and then the RSN design on the inside of the walls for that. Then I added some little trim with some more white cardboard on the outside of these walls with some more support beams on the end just to make sure nothing falls and breaks under the weight of cars up there. And then for the final step, we are going to be making a roof. So as you can see here, I added the roof with these little points of cardboard on the end to make sure it wouldn't fall off, and it's a little bit tighter on there. And I did that on both sides. You can kind of see here, it's like a little flap, just keeps it well in place. Ladies and gentlemen, there you go. Now you have a full diorama of a grandstand to go along with your Motor Speedway of the South track. It can fit very many cars. All the fans are super happy, get a great view of the track, and it looks fantastic on camera during stop motions, or even if you're just trying to play and have a race. Here are a little bit of some cinematic shots to show how many cars you can fit in the RSM booth, the Dynaco suite, the other suite, and then just the grandstand down below, and it looks very accurate towards the movie. But ladies and gentlemen, I do hope you guys all did enjoy. If you guys want me to make anything else, please leave a comment down below, and I will gladly do it if it makes the track even better than it is right now. But yeah, like I said, I had an old grandstand before that I didn't enjoy, and I wanted to make a new one, and I thought, you know what, might as well make it exactly to the movie, and that is what I did. So now you can see, like these shots, you can see through the fence, the catch fence at the fans, and it just looks spectacular. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys do decide to make your own grandstand, please take a picture and post it on Instagram and tag me at Crazy Cars Canada. I would love to see it. So thank you guys all so much for watching, and we'll see you guys all back here for another Crazy Cars production. Peace!